the Buddhist monuments and mounds of Gandhara. They are thousands in numbers, and today we are in Kaluder district, Sawabi, the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province of Pakistan, with a mound. Apparently it's only a mound, but it is a very historical mound, and the local people have, over the past few decades, we have heard that they have recovered Buddha statues and gold coins and ancient coins, but that is not recorded, and the record is not here, and this is the property of private people, and they have reduced this mound because they have, if you see, they reduced it to level the ground for cultivation and other things, and this is a private property, not the property of government, and not any protection, no any excavation, no research has been done here. So it is requested to the government of Pakistan, to the government of KP, to protect it, to preserve it, and to purchase this land. So this is very important. This thousands of mounds are present in Gandhara, and this is, as you know, this is my hometown, and I have heard in the previous decades that people excavated it, and Buddha's images and the Bodhisattva images, the different coins, and especially the gold has been recovered from this site, as the local people are saying that much gold and other precious stones were recovered from this site. So this is a beautiful site, but sorry to say, the site has been reduced to a very short mound, and the surrounding has been leveled by the owners of this land, and this is still a private property, and within few years it will disappear, and the history would vanish very soon. So now it is the time to protect this, and for the government to purchase this land and to excavate it, and it's a site that unearthed the history and the mystery of Gandhara Buddhism, the Gandhara philosophy. This is a mound, but this was a Buddhist site, as from its illegal digging, statues were recovered.
دا مخامخ دا مرګري راغلي دا ډیره چې کوم دی ندیو کته دا ډیره په دې کې ډیر څه قیمتي شي.
These friends come, they saw the mount. There are a lot of precious things of earlier time. People destroyed into field while some is fallen down by rain. There are statues, gold. There are more precious things. I mean earlier time precious things buried inside it. We saw a lot of people carried different things. A lot of people found statues, some found gold, precious gem or other. Still, they are present inside the mount, but it is going to be finished with the passage of time. When it finished, then a lot of different things will be come out in the front of us. Most of it is carried by people, so it is its history. We spend our childhood here. It is our places, and we have saw it with our own eyes that people carried a lot of goods from here, statues, precious things like ring, precious stone, gems. So there will be more precious thing in it, but we have no idea for now. When we have any idea, then we will see.
So majority or mostly the mounds of Gandhara were the Buddhist temples of the past, and there was a sense of spirituality. So whenever in Gandhara, mostly the Buddhist mounds are nearby the Muslim shrine. So here, this is also one shrine is here, a Muslim shrine is here. So that's one question, is this about the relationship between the ancient Buddhist site, which is now a mound, and shrine. So shrine is also a sacred place for the local population, and It's people are coming to the shrine to pray and to offer something. So it is a very mysterious relationship between the Buddhist spirituality, the Jain spirituality, and the Muslim spirituality. So the thing is one, but the medium of instruction is changed. This is a shrine located near the mound of Kaluder. Kaluder is a Buddhist mound because many of the Buddhist statues were recovered from this site. And in Gandhara there are so many sites or mounds where the Muslim shrines were located, and this is one of them. And in the next videos we will show you other mounds where you will see and you will found the shrines. So the question is that the relationship between the mound, the Buddhist mound, and the shrine. This shrine has recently been constructed, but the grave of this saint was here from hundreds of years that nobody knows about its ancient history. And the people used to come, used to visit, to offer their prayers